Anambra Elders Council has applauded Governor Willie Obiano for the vision of putting up the Anambra International Cargo and Passenger Airport project, Umweri. In Anambra International Conference Center, Oka, the elders gave the applause when they joined the governor on his usual weekly inspection visit to the project. Government House correspondent Ejika Bana reports.
Obiano personally led the elders, painstakingly explaining and showcasing all aspects of the airport and the conference center.
The thing about this airport is that it has Cat2 lighting system. Cat2 is the highest grade of lighting at an airport. We have satellite landing system. This is the only airport in Nigeria that has it, according to NCA. So we can land here at any point in time using the satellite.
Speaking on the viability of the airport, former Commonwealth Secretary General Chief Emeka Anyoko described it as magnificent and applauded the governor for not borrowing to finance the project, while emphasizing that it portrays the governor as an efficient manager of resources. Chief Anyoko congratulated the Anambra, saying that the project will sufficiently serve the interests of not only Anambra and Southeast merchants, but foreign investors in time to come, stressing that the conference center will evidently complement the airport.
It does go to show how efficiently he has deployed the resources of the state. I have traveled around this country many times. I have visited many governors. I cannot recall of any governor who has deployed the resources of his state in as efficient and a manageable manner as Governor Obiano has.
Former Prefect, Congregation for Divine Worship and the Disciple of the Sacraments, Francis Cardinal Arenze, noted that the airport is beautiful, expressing optimism that the Anambra have capable people in every facet of human endeavor, and prayed for the successful takeoff and operation of the airport and the conference center.
And we beg God to continue to bless the governor, the state, and to promote this airport and what it means for the people, lessening their suffering, making their business more pleasant and quick.
The Archbishop, Province of the Niger, and Bishop of Oka Diocese, the Most Reverend Alexander Ibezim, who maintained that the airport will make for easy and safer travel, noted that Governor Obiano has done well to leave legacies behind and urged successive administrations not to abandon them, just as he prayed God for him to round off well. Former Governor of Anambra State, Chief Chukwuemeka Eziife, Chairman of Southeast Traditional Rulers Council, Igwe Nnemeka Achebe, former Chairman of Police Service Commission, Chief Simon Okeke, the Traditional Ruler of Mba Ukwu, Igwe Peter Nugu, Elder Chris Eluomono, National Vice President of Ohaneze Ndibo Worldwide, Chief Damian Okeke Ogene, among others, were part of the visit. Ejike Abana, ABS News.